Vtech Touch and Teach Wordbook. You like it?
Open.
Let's open it. See? Turn it on.
Whoa!
What's that word?
What's that word?
There are so many ant bugs.
Whoa.
Your chair. I like my home.
You touch a word.
The park. Ladybug. Black and red. Ladybug.
Workable.
What?
Workable.
Tunnel. Kite.
Workable.
Ladybug.
Ball. Oh, what color is the ball? What's that? It's
Ball.
a soccer ball, yes. A soccer ball.
Find it.
What are you doing to
Touch something
Baby Bear?
that begins with the letter J.
And
Let's make Baby Bear sit down so he can watch you play with your book. Like this. Bear sitting. Sitting, yes.
The zoo.
Open the book.
See you next time.
That's body.
Yes, you open it.
That's body.
No. Without the battery, it won't sound. It won't work. We need the battery inside.
Open.
We can't open it. It needs a screwdriver here, so we can open it. Your screwdriver is big. That's a toy screwdriver. It needs a real one. It needs a real one, just like what Daddy's using. Come here. Sam, come here. Let's check out our toy. Uh-oh, Xavier's bringing his tools. Where's the screwdriver? Let's see if it will work. Uh-oh. Does it work?
Let's search
Can
and
we-
discover.
Yeah, can you open it with your
book
screwdriver?
to start.
Huh? Yeah, you open it. You use your screwdriver if you want. I don't think it will work though, but you can try.
Let's explore and learn.
It's the handle.
Open your book
You
to
hold it
start.
like this. There. Does it work? It doesn't open because that's too big. Look. We need the real one.
Hi. Let's
one that
search
Daddy
and
uses.
discover. Open your book to start.
Nope. A hammer? No. We don't use hammer on this one. We need the screwdriver.
Let's explore and learn. Open your
This
book
is a
to
plastic
start.
hammer. This is a baby hammer. That's the big one. What's that? More screwdriver. Yes. Where's the handle?
See you next time.
You have to connect one. Yes, like that. Let's see if it will work on your book. Does it work?
Yes.
Let me see. Still doesn't work. Uh-oh. We cannot open it. We need the real screwdriver. See those screws here? Here, lots of screws. We need a screwdriver for that.
What's that do?
Let's check out your toy. Uh-oh, and still he's using the tools. Is that for that one?
There.
Does it open now?
Yes, alright.
Alright, check it out if it opens. Does it?
Yes.
Hi. Let's search
Alright.
and discover. Open your book
Alright.
to start.
Mommy.
Yes.
What? Go, mommy, go, mommy, go, mommy, go.
Where do you want to go?
Come on, you go.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Go sit there. Mommy. Mommy.
Are you
Mommy.
dancing? Are you dancing? Okay, let's say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye now. Thank you for watching.
I'm watching.
See you next time.
Again.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you give me a kiss? Like this. Bye.
Bye-bye.